Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Forza Horizon 6 has hit an unexpected error game crash code FHE01 context 190000. So if you're getting this error in Forza Horizon 6 game, Forza Horizon 6 has hit an unexpected error game crash, and the error code is FHE01 and the error context is 190000. So if you're getting this error in the Forza Horizon 6 game, then here follow the fixes very carefully. Now the first fix is to disable or uninstall Overwolf software. So if you have installed Overwolf software on your PC, then simply disable it and then check. If disabling the Overwolf software does not help, then simply uninstall the Overwolf software on your PC, and then you can go ahead, launch the Forza Horizon 6 game and check. This fix has solved the issue for many players currently. So you can try this fix and check. Fix 2 is to close, disable or uninstall Citrix Workspace app. So if you have installed Citrix Workspace app on your PC, then close it and then check. If that doesn't work, then disable it and then check. If that also doesn't work, then simply uninstall Citrix Workspace app and then check. Later you can install the Overwolf software as well as Citrix Workspace app on your PC when you need it. Now fix 3 is to disable Steam input and spam press the Alt plus Enter keys. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Forza Horizon 6 game. This is just an example I am showing with another game. So you have to right click on Forza Horizon 6 game and then select properties. Then go to the controller tab and here select the disable Steam input first and then close it. And then launch the Forza Horizon 6 game. And once the game is launching or when it is loading, then you have to just spam press the Alt plus Enter keys repeatedly on your keyboard, and eventually your game will launch. So I hope by following these fixes, you can easily fix Forza Horizon 6 game crash error code FHE01, and the error context is 190000. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.